Let me ask you something. What if you could make money online without clients, without coding, and without spending a single dollar on ads? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. In fact, it's exactly how some of the fastest growing solopreneurs are building income streams today. They're not chasing clients. They're not dancing for the algorithm. They're not stuck building websites for other people. They're creating automations, small, ready-to-use digital systems that solve real problems, and selling them over and over like digital products. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where we turn smart ideas into real income. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Alright, so let's break down how this actually works. Most people online are stuck doing the same thing, wasting hours on repetitive tasks or paying someone else to do them. That's where automations come in. Imagine an automation that automatically collects new leads, sends them an email, follows up 3 days later, and organizes everything neatly in a spreadsheet. Now imagine selling that exact automation to hundreds of small business owners who hate dealing with leads manually. That's one product, built once, sold forever. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a programmer to do this. Tools like Make.com, Zapier, and ChatGPT let you create automations visually. Drag, drop, connect, done. It's literally like Lego for the digital world. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you build a simple automation called the Google Review Booster. It automatically sends customers a polite message asking for feedback. And if the response is positive, it directs them to leave a 5-star review on Google. Now you package it, price it at $49, and start selling it to small business owners who struggle to get reviews. Even if only a few hundred people buy it, that's thousands of dollars in revenue from one automation you built once and sell forever. Now, if you're thinking, yeah, but I don't have an audience, that's fine, because automations don't require one. You're not creating content for months waiting for a viral post. You're creating a solution that solves a pain point, and platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy already bring the traffic. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Find a pain point. Go where business owners actually complain in public. Reddit, Facebook groups, indie hackers, Quora, even App Store reviews. Type simple searches like, I'm tired of, we keep forgetting, or how do I automate? Collect 5 to 10 recurring frustrations, then score them by urgency and willingness to pay. Urgent looks like missed money, missed time, or missed reputation. If people are saying this is costing us customers, or we're spending hours doing this manually, you've got a winner. Pick one problem and write a one-line promise. Turn X annoying task into a 5-minute setup. Step 2. Automate the solution. Use ChatGPT to outline the workflow and Make.com to build it visually. Start with clear triggers and actions. When a lead submits a form, send a welcome message, wait 2 days, follow up, log everything in a sheet, and notify the owner. Keep version 1 simple and durable. One form, one sheet, one email or SMS provider. Test it end-to-end with fake data until you get a clean run 3 times in a row. If anything breaks, simplify. Your goal is not clever. It's reliable. You can build and validate this in an afternoon. Step 3. Package it like a product. Give it a memorable name, a short promise, and a clean visual cover. Think Review Booster Agent. Turn happy customers into public 5-star reviews. Record a 2-minute loom showing the outcome first, then the setup in 3 steps. Add a quick start guide with screenshots, a checklist, and a copy-paste template for the messages your buyers will send. Include a troubleshooting page with 3 common fixes and an FAQ so buyers feel supported without needing you. This is the difference between a hack and a product. Step 4. List it for sale. Upload to Gumroad, Payhip, or Lemon Squeezy, and write a benefits-first description. Lead with the result, not the tech. Capture more reviews in 7 days with a ready-to-use automation you can set up in minutes. Add the Loom demo, the Quick Start PDF, and a simple license that allows personal or client use. Start with a founder price, for example, $29 to $49, so early buyers feel they're getting a deal, then raise the price as you add proof. Make delivery frictionless. Buyers should receive the make scenario, the instructions, and the message templates instantly. Step 5. Create simple traffic loops. You don't need ads. You need proof in public. Post short tutorials that show the result first, and the how second. A 30-second clip, a before and after, or 3 mistakes this automation fixes. Share on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, X, and LinkedIn, and end with a soft call to action. Details in the pinned comment. Repurpose the same clip across platforms and pin your best performer on each profile. Your goal is consistency over virality. One clear demo per week is enough to build steady sales. Curiosity brings clicks, outcomes drive purchases. And remember, automations have insane scalability. You build once, sell forever. Think of it as digital real estate. Every automation is an asset that earns while you sleep. Now maybe you're wondering, but what if someone just copies it? Good question. But here's the truth. The money isn't just in the automation, it's in how you package it. Your visuals, your examples, your clarity, that's what people pay for. Most users don't want to spend 5 hours building something when they can buy it ready to go for $49. And here's a bonus idea. Once you have a few automations, you can bundle them into a business automation kit or AI starter pack. Bundle value equals higher price. That's how creators on Gumroad are turning simple flows into full digital product lines. Here's what's exciting. This wave of automation creators is still new. Most people still don't realize they can sell what they build on make.com. That's your opportunity. It's like the early days of selling templates, but now you're selling working systems. So if you've been stuck thinking you need clients, coding skills, or ad money to start, this is your sign. You can start with one automation, one idea, one product. Before you go, I've put together something to help you take action faster. It's a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to find your first profitable automation idea. Build it using no-code tools, package it like a real digital product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours trying to figure it all out alone. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Digital Profit Hacks, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. Tell me in the comments which automation idea you'd like to build first. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching until the end. And remember, don't sell your time. Sell automations. Build once, sell forever. Let's profit smart.